Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable ad tracking on YouTube on iPhone. For example, if you want to turn off your ad tracking on your iPhone from the YouTube app, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to look for the YouTube app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after checking for the YouTube app update, you have to simply go back and close this page and you have to simply open the YouTube app. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the profile section of the YouTube app. So here you have to simply click on that and you have to simply click on that settings icon. And here you have to simply click on manage all history. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for ad center in these settings. So here you have to simply look for the ad settings. So you have to simply click on interactions, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of ad center here. So here you have to scroll it down and here you have to click on YouTube history, and if you scroll it down then you will find the option of ad center here. So here you have to simply click on go to my ad center, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on personalized ads. So if you turn this off, then your YouTube will be unable to track your ads on YouTube app. So in this way you can simply disable ad tracking for yourself on your iPhone iOS 18 on YouTube app. So in this way you can simply do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.